we're going to be practicing the ate ending, the sound. So let's get started. As you know, E-I-G-H-T spells 8. The number 8 is pronounced 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Great job. Now, A-I-T also makes the 8 sound, as in wait. 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 Excellent. Okay. And ATE also makes the 8 sound. Oh, isn't English fun? Practice with me. Repeat after me. Late. 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 Light. Late. Light. Late. Light. Late. That was perfect. Now we're going to practice some sentences. I'm going to say them very slow, and then I'm going to say them naturally, like a native speaker would say, at least in the northern part of the U.S. I didn't have to wait. 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 There were 8 pieces of candy. There were 8 pieces of candy. There were 8 pieces of candy. 8, 8, 8. There were 8 pieces of candy. There were 8 pieces of candy. Pieces of. There were 8 pieces of candy. He was late yesterday. He was late yesterday. 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 He was late yesterday. Late. Late. He was late yesterday. He was late yesterday. He was late yesterday. He was late yesterday. 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 He was late yesterday. I didn't have to wait. I didn't have to wait. There were 8 pieces of candy. There were 8 pieces of candy. He was late yesterday. He was late yesterday. Today's video is inspired by one of my YouTube subscribers who wanted to know about the T sound and the D sound. I'll be answering your question in another video that's coming this week, okay? A couple of you asked me about last week's S-I-O-N ending, the video that I did last week, and I'll answer those questions in that video as well. So look for that about Thursday or Friday this week, okay? And that's it for today. Remember, come back next week for another pronunciation video. Oh, and don't forget, I'll be answering your questions as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me next week. Bye!